Okay, welcome back to the shop. So today we got a fun little project to play around with. We got a Milwaukee FUEL extended reach ratchet here. We're going to see if we can make this 3/8 ratchet a 1/2 inch. So first thing here, what we'll do, see if we can get the snap ring out of here that's holding everything together. Get it out of here and launch it across the shop floor. Never to be found again, bro. Nope, there it is. It's good. So, just want to be careful here. Give it a little turn. There we go. Get it out. And we can see here's our 3/8 assembly. Got our little paws here. Rock back and forth. Now, here's the 1/2 inch assembly. You can see how this works. There's the paws on the 1/2 inch. And inside here there's some ball bearings with some preload springs on them to keep everything together. You can see that's springy there. Here's our offset for changing directions. You can see that works. The 1/2 inch and the 3/8 are very similar. This is the 1/2 inch from the shorter ratchet. And there we go. They match up that way. And they match up that way. So we're going to see if that works in the extended reach ratchet here. See if we can get ourselves a extended reach 1/2 inch ratchet. So let's get that paw pushed and get that started just like that, and see if we can get our snap ring back in without launching it clean across the shop floor. Okay, so here we go. Got it started. This is always the scary part. You get it close. It's never close enough. Actually, we're doing pretty good here. Shouldn't be pushing down with the pliers, but just a minor change there. There we go. We got it set. What I want to do is just make sure that's not loaded too hard. Yeah, that's not loaded too hard there. That should be good. So let's take a battery and let's see if it runs. See if it runs the other direction. Oh yeah. So now, a few things to talk about. If you do this, it's super nice to get a 1/2 inch extended ratchet since they don't make one. But you need to realize that you've now voided your warranty. None of that stuff applies any longer. So if you break the tool, it's all on you. Here we normally, if I break the tools, or heck, I buy broken tools to fix them. So if we have a broken tool in this shop, we normally fix it ourselves. So I'm not really worried about warranty in my personal case. But if somebody utilizes warranties and wants to have that insurance for themselves, I would very much suggest against doing this, because you won't have that to take advantage of any longer. That being said, this should be super handy to have around the shop and get this into areas with a 1/2 inch socket on it that we couldn't otherwise. So it should be great for that. And there's also a bunch of other things, but you really don't want to throw a, an 1.5 inch socket on this thing and start really reefing on it and, proving how much of a man you are, because you probably will break this thing. So you don't want to do that. Use the tool within its limitations, and everything should probably be okay with this. The ratchet head seems to be the same between these extended reach ratchets and the smaller ratchets that they made. I have one here. These are the other ratchets, the 1/2 inch one. A lot of guys have these, seen these. So the paw and everything else is the same part number between 3/8 and 1/2. So I just got another 1/2 inch anvil, and there we go. So that all being said, knowing what you're getting into with the warranties, this could be a fun little project if you want to have a 1/2 inch extended reach ratchet. That's a good way to do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.